Hi, you guys. Welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And hey, here we go again with another fun, delicious cocktail for this really, really hot and humid San Diego. Okay, today we're going to have the strawberry Tarragon Smash. Check this out. You're going to like it. It's very tasty, and I promise you, it's going to be fun. Stay here with me, Hey Bartender. Okay, so well, first of all, guys, thank you very much for your comments. And if you do me a favor, today I'm going to give you a really, really good description of how to make really cool cocktails that involve herbs. Such is the case like rosemary's, mint. Today we're going to use tarragon. And obviously, which one is going to be the best mixers, which is going to be vodka, which is going to be gin, and believe it or not, mezcal. So, hey, if you have something cool to say, if you have a really cool recipe, if you see something really fun that you're like, hey, I tried this thing and it's amazing, send me a comment. Please just post it under this video and I'll be more than happy to duplicate it for you right here in this spot, okay? So, that being said, today we're going to be talking about tarragon. So tarragon, we're going to be doing this cocktail. It is a strawberry smash tarragon cocktail. And we're going to start by making tarragon syrup. Believe it or not, this is a really tasty syrup. Super easy to make, guys. Half of a cup of water by 3/4 of a cup of sugar. This is a little bit more, it has to be a little bit more thicker. And it's because you don't want to have such an herbal flavor, so you need a little bit more sweet. And you're gonna put approximately like 3 or 4 branches of the actual tarragon. Just peel the actual tarragon leaves and put them into the water while it's boiling. And let it simmer for quite some time. Let it actually keep the actual tarragon inside the actual mix and let it cool off. Once it's cool, then you can actually just like strain it, and there you go. You have this kind of like an olive oil syrup, and it's gonna work for a lot of things. Believe it or not, you can make like this thing, it can be for pancakes, it can be for like a really cool non-alcoholic cocktails, for your tea. There's a lot of stuff that you can use with this guy. But well, today we're gonna use it for this cocktail. How are we gonna make this cocktail? Really simple, you guys. We're gonna start with 2 full strawberries, and we're gonna put them in there. You're gonna have probably like 4 or 5 little leaves of the actual tarragon, 2 ounces of vodka, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, and we're gonna muddle it, which is a smash. The leaves actually, they're gonna break into the flavor as well. So I know the syrup, it is good, but the leaves actually, they make a little bit more flavor into it. And I totally forgot that actually we're gonna use 1/2 ounce of our tarragon syrup. I always recommend that your smashes, you leave the actual items that you leave for smashing it to nibble. But in this case, I won't recommend that. I will set, let's just strain it, put some ice, cover it, give it a nice shake. Okay. Let's grab our nice glass, fill it up with ice. Let's make a double strain. We're going to put a really nice pretty garnish. Let's get a little bit of tarragon. And you can grab a dehydrated lime wedge. lime wheel, I'm sorry. And a strawberry flower. Strawberry and tarragon smash, you guys. I hope you like it. Cheers.